Okay, so our room on the ship today is 9170. And we do have a balcony. So let me give you a full... Hi, Becky.
Hey.
So let's give you a full tour of the room. So we do have a full-size closet. Got a lot of my Hawaiian shirts in here. Extra life vests. Plenty of luggage room. Baskets and shelving units. Even two separate drawers right here. And some shelving units here. Two plugs. One is US standard American and the other one is a European plug. And then different shelving units up here. Let's go in here to the washroom. So in here we've got a big, well, not a big shower, but it's a single person shower in here. But I do like it that it's really tall.
But you're not.
But that's why I like it, because it rains on me then. See? If you don't want to bring your own shampoos and conditioners and soaps, they do supply it here. We all know what that is. Towels and sink, big mirror, it's like a trifold mirror. So, hi everybody. And then shelving units underneath. All right. It is a very big step, I noticed, though, going into the washroom. That is probably a good, say, 6-7 inches there. So
I think they had that nice one too.
Yeah.
Big step down.
big step, yeah. All right, so we've got a king-size bed in here, which is nice. Lights on either side, and charging ports for your phone on either one. We do have an adjoining room. I'll tell you a story here in a minute, but the girls, Emerson and Vivian, are next door.
Normally.
Got a stool and a nice desk. Because it is an American ship, it's mostly American plugs. USB ports here. A safe, I believe, is in here. Yes. So we do have a safe. Another extra shelving unit up there. We got a refrigerator in here. Yeah. Two extra shelves in here. A little space where I just stowed my backpack. And here's the deck. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Okay. Now, normally you would be able to open up and this door, and the adjoining rooms would be here on the deck. But since COVID, for some reason, they do not allow that anymore. So that stays locked. So if the girls want to come over, they gotta knock on the door. So, all right. And then this does swing out into a bed, in case you did have a family of three.
I think
This is the maximum was 3. Okay, so here's the story. I'll let Becky tell the story.
Okay, so we were on the 7th level. This is a present. This cruise is a present from my parents. So my sister's also here. So we were all on the 7th level, and we had rooms that they had a little tiny balcony, but it was obstructed view, like 3 feet.
Like a lifeboat.
Right.
Would be in front of
would
us.
be in front of us. It was fine. We were going to be just fine.
And it was like the room in Iceland where it had like the bunk bed.
Right. And it was going to be all 4 of us in one room. What happened was we put in for an upgrade. We wanted a balcony because Iceland, it's beautiful, but it's cold, so you're not really going to be out on the balcony. But we wanted one for Hawaii, so we put in. You bid on upgrades. So we bid on an upgrade, and we hadn't heard. You don't really hear until like the week before your cruise or so. So, my sister all of a sudden she also put in for an upgrade. She gets a phone call from Norwegian Airline that said her room was under construction, under maintenance, and so they were upgrading her for free to 2 balconies
2 balcony suites. Yeah.
adjoining. And we were like, oh. So I didn't care that we were all on the 7th level and none of us got balconies, but once my sister got one, then I started to care. So we ended up putting in more money. Matt put in more money
To get a better room.
to get a better room, and my mom had texted us and she's like, it doesn't look like an upgrade's going to be done. So I was really upset. Now, I felt like an ungrateful child because here my parents are shelling out all this money for us to go to Hawaii, and I'm being crabby about my room. And I felt terrible, but I couldn't help it.
The day that I put in the extra money to put a bid in for a better room.
NCL called my mother and said about our room was also under maintenance, so we too got upgraded for free to 2 balcony
suites.
unobstructed
views.
cabins, unobstructed. So she immediately went and canceled the bid for the upgrade, so we didn't get charged, but
Yeah.
we both got it, which was wonderful. And
Absolutely
I
fantastic.
apologized up and down to my mother, like, I'm sorry for
And
being
she
so
said,
crabby.
that's okay. Because you know what? That's my job. I'm a mom.
And a travel agent.
Yeah. So
So
that's the story of how we got the balcony suite. And 2 of them. And the girls looks identical to the one we just showed you. Just the blueprint is flip-flopped.
yeah, mirror.
Yeah, it's just a mirror image of it. So, but it's a very comfortable room.
It'll be just fine in here.
Yeah.
I mean, they all seem to be a little smaller than the Iceland room, but this room holds 3, and our Iceland room held 4.
Right, and this is one of the smaller ships in the Norwegian cruise line thing.
Fleet?
So, in the fleet. So the rooms are smaller on the Pride of America, but it's a gorgeous ship. Once again, I'll take you on a tour of the whole ship. But in about, I believe, 6 or 7 minutes, we have to go down to mandatory
Safety check.
safety check. So we have to learn how to put on our life vests. We got to find out where we go to get on our lifeboats if anything happens. So, right? Or just went to an island. So,
Gilligan's. It's out there somewhere.
yeah.
So 3 hours from here, right?
3-hour tour from Hawaii. Yeah. So, all right. So hopefully the weather doesn't start getting
I'm
rough.
not even in frame. You're mean.
No, I'm sorry.
You like keep kicking me
So,
out.
well, you just got kind of drifting that way. So, all right. So yeah, like I said, just a couple minutes. We're gonna go down to the safety
And you
check
wanna-
stuff. So,
Wanna
what's up, One Eye? All right. So, with that, if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe. Keep it sexy.
Look at my pretty nails.
Yeah, she got nails done for just for Hawaii. Aren't those pretty?
They're shark nails.
Yeah. If you want to correspond with us in any kind of way, shape, or form, I'm going to put our P.O. box number down below. Also, do not forget, if you want to see where the Albans have been, there is an interactive map. I will put the link down below for that. One of our great subscribers, Davey Sitter, painstakingly puts that all together for us. So she's awesome for that. And really, that's it. So we will see you. I believe the next stop is Maui.
Yeah.
We'll see you in Maui. All right.
I'm going to the buffet.
Yeah. Yeah. After we safety check, we're going up to the buffet. We are hungry. All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.